Hi guys, welcome back to the tutorial series about Unreal Engine 4. Today we're going to be doing a HUD, player HUD. We're also going to be doing a level select that I promised a little while ago in the menu tutorials. So today we're going to be completing that, and also I'd like to thank you to everybody that's watched my videos, that has subscribed, that's liked or commented, or even shared the videos. You guys have been a really big help. It's awesome to know that people are actually enjoying watching the tutorials and that they're actually helping someone. So let's get started. I'm going to be bringing out another video tomorrow, hopefully, that will be showing a simple death system that will allow you to interlink the system between the current HUD that we're doing today and the actual player. We're going to make the hunger actually damage the player slowly instead of killing them as soon as they get to 100. If you haven't seen this tutorial, please do go back one video. I'll leave a link in the description. And yeah, thanks a lot, and I'll check you now. Alright guys, welcome back. So, I think today we're going to concentrate a little bit on... Let's do a HUD for our player. So what's going to happen is we're going to say new game. Oh, actually we can do that level select. So let's say we have a game where you can, for example, select between level 1 or level 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create a new level. No, this way is not good. Do not use the right click new level thing. Rather go file, new level, default. So here we'll put a sphere and a cube. Right, so this is just to distinguish between the levels. So there's a cube and a sphere. And then what we're going to do is we're going to show text. And have some text here saying, so details panel, I'm going to say level 1. There we go. So let's quickly create it to be bigger and rotate it around the Z by 180. There we go, so level 1. So when we start this up, we'll see level 1. And we're going to change the color to red. Right, so we'll see, here we go, level 1. I can pass through level 1, so this is just a way to do it. Now, what we're going to do is, I'm going to save as level 1, of course, and then we're going to duplicate this, if we can. Yeah, I guess not. Alright, that's fine. There we go, save as level 2, not 12, but alright. 2. There we go. Now what we want to do is move back to content because I'm moving everything here for now. Alright, so at main menu now. Under UMG, we have a main menu. And now on level select, on clicked, what we'll do is I'm going to create here a new user interface widget blueprint and say level select. Sorry, no spaces. So there we go, level select. Save and open it up. So here we will have some text in the center top. Like that. I guess so now select a level. Alright. Extend this, make this bigger. And then what we're going to do is we're going to round this off to 100 and let's say 350. Oh, sorry, minus 350. And minus 50. No, we don't need to move anything there. Alright, so select the level that's done. Minus 50, so there we go. Alright, so this little menu kind of thing is done. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some buttons. I'm going to make them pretty big because we only have 2 levels. So select level 1. Delete that. Let's actually just do this. So 600, 200, and we're going to anchor it to that side. So make it, there we go. Minus 100 and minus no, let's do 50. There we go, perfect. Save and duplicate. Okay, can I duplicate it this way? Oops, wrong one. Remake. There we go, button 2. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to anchor it to the other side now, and just change that to be minus 100 and then minus 650. I do not know what the hell happened there. I'm very confused right now. Huh. Oh, I see. There we go. Alright, just 650. There we go, perfect. Save. And now we're gonna add some text. Text 1, text 2. Oh, and we also need one more button for back. And then text 3. Alright. So here, this is text block 1, so we're gonna say level 1. And in text block 2, we're gonna say level 2, and this will be back. Perfect. Now, compile. On main menu, on level select, on clicked. What you're gonna do is you're gonna remove from parent, which is this widget, so main menu. Then you're gonna create widget, and the class will be level select, and then on the returning value you're gonna say add to viewport. Alright, so if we press play, sorry, the actual game is on this side, I'm gonna say level select, and we level select, although now we can actually move around. It's pretty cool, but you don't want that, so under the world settings here, the default pawn class will be none. So if I click play, perfect. So it'll actually be character, sorry. Okay, perfect. Now that it's working properly again, we can continue. On level select, let's first handle the back button. So on click of back, we're gonna remove from viewport item. Damn it. Okay, remove from parent, and then we're gonna create. Damn it, if I could just spell widget. Main menu, and then add to viewport. Compile. So that's the back button sorted. Next, on level 2, what we're going to do is we're going to say remove from parent, and then open level, and this will be level 2. Alright, compile, and then the last one, on level 1, remove from parent, and then open level 1. Compile, and let's go back to here and press play. Alright, so level select, back works level 1. Cat loaded level 1. But that was not the level I wanted it to load. So something went wrong, and all we have to do now is just level 2, save, and let's try this again. So, main menu, play, now select. This is not level 1. Oh, okay. So, what we did is we actually just did something wrong. We're not supposed to add spaces there because there's no spaces in the actual level names. So what it was trying to do is, because it was trying to find just the next map it could make, it loads the default map essentially. Let's try this again. So we're going to press play, level select level 1, and we're in level 1. And now play, level select, and now we're in level 2. Remember, we still have this menu to be able to quit to the menu and continue playing from here. Where the hell is my mouse? Okay, 1 second guys, there is my mouse. Okay, my mouse is freezing up. But it works, there we go. Let's try again, level 2, there, and quit to menu, and level 1 is, okay, so the game is just freezing up, so somewhere it's not working. Alright, so that's the menu level select thing done. Now, let's do a HUD, since I still have about 12 minutes recording time for this episode, but we'll continue it into 2 parts then if we run over. So under UMG, what we're going to do is we're going to say new user interface widget, and this will be player HUD widget. Let's save that. Alright, so what you want on the HUD is all up to you, but I think I'm going to add, first of all, I'm going to add a vertical box so I can keep everything organized. And after that, I'm going to add some text. Actually, I'm going to, yeah, I can still keep it here. Right, after the vertical box, I'm going to add a horizontal box and then a text box into the horizontal box. So in Y we want this about 300 pixels, and in X let's say 600. Perfect. We also want to go 50 from each side. That allows us to have a little bit of space. And now we can have the text. So let's have the following bars. Let's have health, energy, and hunger. Because we do have a hunger system, we can use it in here. So that means we need 3 of these. So each horizontal box will be a fill, and each here will be filled up, that will be water, and in the middle. Alright, so let's first of all change this to health. Energy. Alright, seems like I'm gonna have to add spaces, which is perfectly fine in here. And here we will have hunger. Alright, if you have not seen the hunger tutorial, you can always go back through the videos. It should be the previous one before this, but I'll leave a link in the description. As well as I could even leave the project for you guys if you want. Just tell me in the comments below if you want me to put it up. Alright, after creating the three not the icons, the labels, what you're going to do is you're going to drag 3 progress bars on, and we will now make them fill, 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 and I think a bit like that. Perfect. You don't want them too big, right? So actually, yeah, that's good. Alright, looks nice like that. So the settings would be then for each horizontal box, it would be auto, horizontally aligned fill, and then vertically aligned center. But alright, then text block options would be auto. Okay, justification, make it to the right, I guess. Then it would be on auto, align, and center. Well, fill and center. For horizontal will be horizontally aligned fill, and vertical alignment will be vertically aligned center. And for each progress bar, it will be a horizontal alignment fill, vertical aligned center, and fill. Alright, now the bar fill type is what it's all up to you. So for example, left to right would go from, yeah, everything will be left to right, but from left to right it will obviously take the 100 will be on the right, 0 will be on the left. Okay, so let's continue. Now, on each bar, well, actually, first we need to have a health for our player. So under third person blueprints, under blueprints character, we need to have a variable called player health. So this will be a float, as far as I know, not on the tick, but begin play, there we go. Set, there we go. Drag it out, and now what we want to do is we want to say get layer. I'm not sure if this will work, but this should. If it doesn't, we can always do it the other way. Get damage. Give me just a second. Can be damaged. Life, that's what it is. Life. Okay, we'll just do it the other way. So on begin play, set the player health to whatever you want, but the player health, and actually, yeah, set it to 100. Right, let's set it to 100, because that's what we want our player to start out with. So after that, we now have player health. Then we also need a player energy. And also make these public, as well as the hunger from the previous one. Otherwise, the actual widget cannot see what it is. So then energy will be 100 as well. And hunger will be 0. Perfect. Alright. So that's the variables taken care of. So you want to save and compile the third person character. Now on player HUD, you want to change this, how filled the actual bar is. But first you also want to change what the bar looks like so you know if it's different. So for example, background image, let's change this to red. No, make it yellow. Actually, make it black. Yeah, that's good. And then the fill image, tint will be red for health. So now if you want to see what it looks like, what you want to do is you want to fill it. Full color. Ah, there we go, sorry. Wrong one. So you want to do red. No blue. There we go, there we are. Alright. Awesome. So now that is a full health bar, but the problem is we don't want it to be full and not do anything. So what you want to do is you want to, on the under percent, you want to say bind, create binding, and this screen pops up. So you're going to right click and type get player controller. Okay, so what this does is it lets me get this, but the controller of it, because the controller is bound to the actual HUD. Well, it's actually bound to the, not to the HUD, sorry, to the actual character. We can get things from here that have an open eye or a public variable. So after that, you want to say get player health. Maybe not. Oh, let's cast it. Alright, so you want to do is you want to cast it. Cast. Alright. Hunger. It's available. Oh, sorry. Health. That should be float. Eligible. Play health 0. Alright. That's fine. So everything should be in. Otherwise, let's try get player controller. That's it. Character. There we are. Let's try this. Okay, there we go. Cast a third person character. So before it executes, you're gonna cast to the third person character. And this as third person character. Now you can get health. But now the thing is, it's set to 100. The actual health bar takes from 0 to 1. Right, so easy enough. What you're going to do is you're going to take player health, you're going to divide, and you're going to divide it by a float of 100. So then you're going to drag it into the return and compile. Now we're going to press play, and hopefully, actually, sorry, on third person character, what you want to do is you want to create a widget. Sorry about the dogs barking in the back. And play added widget, compile, and then add to viewport. Alright, after adding it to viewport, you should be able to see it when pressing play. So, new game. And now as you can see, our health is full. And I'm just going to drag it out so I can see the different variables. Energy, health. Alright, sorry, I'm going to have to change it inside here. There we go, main menu. Okay. New game. And now, since we have a mouse, all we need is to close these and find the actual player. So third person character. Alright, now let's change the health and see what happens. As you can see, I'm dragging the health of the player down, and the bar is going down and up with it, depending which way I go. Next, we need to, let's do the hunger. So on event tick, sorry, I disconnected the hunger, I was testing something. So on event tick, get hungry, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the delay to be every 5 seconds and the actual hunger percentage to be 0.01. So every 5 seconds we'll get 1% more hungry, right? Easy enough. Let's see, I have 24 minutes. Alright, so I'll probably make this half an hour episode and then do the next one and the next one. Alright, sorry about the coffee. Perfect. So, next will be the hunger. Energy will be done the exact same way. I will do the energy in the next part. So, the fill background image, the tint will be black, and the full color, let's see, so energy can be like a yellow. There we go. And depending on how full it is, perfect. And the hunger can be, let's make it a brown, maybe. What is green and blue? Green and blue. Not orange. Let's make it orange. You know what? Let's make it orange. There you go. That's perfect. That's the color. It really doesn't matter to me. Alright. So now percentage. Create a binding. And the exact same procedure. So what you want to do is you want to say cast to third person character. You want to get player character, and you want to get the hunger. Get player hunger. The hunger is out of 0, well, from 0 to 1, so it's already done in a percentage, so you can just grab that and press play, and saying new game should allow me to get hungry every 5 seconds. There you go. As you can see, the hunger bar just went up a bit. Let's speed this up a little bit. So let me close this. Go back to here. Press play. New game. And now we just need third person character. Hunger, as you can see, as I pull the value up, it gets hungrier, and we're gonna die very quickly now. In about 5 seconds. And there we go. We die. And we go back to main menu. Alright guys, so that was a simple hunger bar tutorial for your HUD. Well, actually, let's quickly fix this problem. So when we die, unfortunately the actual, what way is it now? Let's see. Oh yeah, if the hunger level is lower. There it is. Alright, and then stop. Oh. Alright. So what you want to do here after, for example, on death. So we can do a death system in the next one. On death, you actually want to remove from creates this, create player HUD widget. So I don't know why the heck I moved it so far out. Remove from parent after dragging that out. So let's quickly make our character die in the menu. So I don't know. Third person character, player hunger, and the HUD disappears. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to end this episode here and Death System in the next one. Also, once again, thank you very much for the comments and the great support, and I'll see you next time.